everyone, my name is Audrey and welcome to the Noble Strength channel. Today we're going to be talking about fashion. I picked up some really nice things online that I want to share with my other fashionistas out there. So if you're into fashion, definitely stick around, like and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. Maybe you are a modest dresser and you don't like looking frumpy, but you want to be modest, then I definitely have something for you in this channel. And then you might be this person who likes to dress, you know, in a classic way, but you like to have that little pop of, you know, something different, then you definitely want to stick around. So I have some accessories for you, and I also have some dresses that I'm going to share with you. So we're going to jump right into it. We're going to start with this first item, which is this lovely dress. This dress is called the Brianna Gia dress, and I got it in two colors. I got it in black, and I also got it in this mocha color, and I ordered it from the company called SexyModest. So the owner creates these dresses and different looks that are modest and covered up, but yet they are very stylish, so you don't have to look like, you know, you're not dressing your age, you know, maybe too old or maybe too frumpy. Then definitely check out their site. I would say that the price range of the items on there are pretty reasonable, though some may think they're a little bit pricey, but I think given the inflation that's going on and the times that we're living in, they're pretty competitive prices, if you will. They're definitely not in the luxury, but maybe in the mid luxury range as far as prices go. So this dress, like I said, is called the Brianna Gia dress. I think this dress is perfect for traveling. It's a stretchy knit dress, and what I love about this dress is it is made in the US. The fabric is imported, but the dress is made here in the USA. Love that. This dress is, like I say, stretchy. It's a very high quality knit, heavyweight, super comfortable. I love the sleeves on this. It has a lot of give. It has a zipper that you can go all the way up the neck, so you can close it all the way up like this, and then you can also bring it down as low as you want. Of course, we're talking modesty here, so but it's a nice little dress, and it has pockets. It has a high-low cut on it. It's more of a straight fit, so if you are curvy, it may like pull up a little bit in the back, but because it's longer in the back, it compensates for that. But it is more of a straight fit, so if you're super curvy, you may want to size up. I got a size medium. They do run true to size in my opinion, and I will go ahead and style this dress for you a lot of different ways. Like I say, I did pick it up in the mocha. So the mocha is more of a khaki color, but it's very well made. The seams on this are excellent. Like I said, it does have pockets. It does have a little slit on the side, and it is high-low in the front and the back. This dress can be styled where it is dressy casual, where you can wear it with, say, some really nice sandals, maybe a wedge sandal. You could wear it with a cute little flat sandal, or you can wear it with sneakers. Either way, I think you're gonna look really pulled together and stylish, and it makes a great travel dress because it is so comfortable and very giving and easy for bending over. And if you bend over, you don't have to worry about exposing anything. Like I say, it's super nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you a few ways to style this really nice dress by SexyModest, so stick around.
For the styling of this dress, I decided to go with gold accessories. In the first look, I am wearing a pair of Jeffrey Campbell sandals. The bag is a Brandon Blackwood vanity bag, which I will be unboxing later in this same video, so definitely stick around so you can see what fits and all of that good stuff. The necklace is by Dianu, the earrings are from JCPenney, and the bracelet is from Etsy. In the second styling, I'm wearing Louis Vuitton runaway sneakers and carrying the Louis Vuitton Gaia bag. Both of these stylings are casual, one a little bit more dressier than the other. I'd love to know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Here is that same dress in the color Mocha. Once again, I decided to go with gold accessories. I am wearing a pair of gold sandals by Tommy Hilfiger in the first styling, carrying a Kate Spade pineapple bag. The cuff bracelet is from Etsy. In the second styling, I am wearing a pair of Nike Air Max 90 sneakers and carrying an MCM vintage bag. I love both looks, but I'd love to hear from you. Which look do you prefer?
Like the styling of the Brianna Gia dress from SexyModest. I highly recommend it, and I think at $79 it's a really nice, you know, kind of comparable price to some other well-known brands out there. But I really love it. This is my first time buying from them, and no, this is not a sponsored video. I've been wanting to buy something from them for a while. It was a while back, probably several years ago, maybe 5 or 6 years ago, that I thrifted a dress by SexyModest, and I love the fit of that dress. It was more of an A-line cut dress, really, really nice. But you know me, I purge a lot, and I ended up, after a few years of wearing that dress and getting a lot of wear out of it, I gave away so someone else could use it. But I did at that time say, you know, I'm going to buy something brand new from that company. It took me a few years, but I finally did it, and this was my purchase, these two dresses. So that is what I purchased online. And then the next thing that I purchased online is another handbag from none other than Blackwood. I've done a whole video on my first Blackwood purchases, and if you want to see that video, I'll definitely link it in the e-card up above. But I absolutely love this designer. So this is another bag that I've been wanting. It came back in stock, so I did have them notify me. This is the vanity bag. I believe that's what it's called. Yes, it is called the vanity purse, and I got it in black. So it will be labeled on the front. The branding is on the front, just a very nice, clean black font branding on a white box. When you open it up, it does have the Blackwood lettering throughout. I have my invoice here, and then it always comes with this card that has a nice little note in it that says, "Thank you for your purchase. Love, Blackwood." So that's in there, and then you have your bag. And I like that it comes with the foaming encasing, and it also has a very sturdy canvas bag. Let me go ahead and get this out. And the casing is the shape of the bag. So it's going to look like that. And like I said, I got the vanity purse. And it's a very nice heavyweight bag. I have not unpackaged it. I wanted to do the unpackaging, so it's still fully in its plastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the time to remove it. Okay, so I have taken off all the plastic on it. It still has this attached. This is a care card, so we're gonna go ahead. I am going to go ahead and cut that off. Just tells you how to care for the bag. All right, so here it is, guys. This is the vanity purse by Blackwood, and this is in 24 karat gold plated hardware. And what I love about this bag is very elegant, just very cute. It lifts up, so you have your Blackwood B here, and it has a mirror, and looks like there is still plastic on the mirror, so I'm gonna take that off. Look at how beautiful. You guys, absolutely love that. And it has the silica pack, so we're gonna take that out. But it's just a cute little vanity purse. My phone will lay down flat in there. You can put your credit card, some keys, a lipstick in there. That will all fit in there, which I'll show you in just a minute. But that's what it looks like, and then it snaps. The bottom does have some little feet on the bottom. 4 gold feet. Isn't that just so cute? I just think it's so adorable. And it would look great with style with this dress with some cute little sandals, which I will show you on the side split screen, but just another great pickup and find. I believe there are some other colors and styles. Not sure if they're still in stock as of the upload of this video, but I will definitely leave the link if it is in stock in my description box below. I'll also leave the links to the 2 dresses that I shared with you in the description box below.
I almost forgot to show you what fits inside this cute little bag. So it fits all of your necessities. First, I'm going to put in my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And next, I'm going to put in this coin case or a card case, if you will. So you can carry your major cards in this little case. And then if you have bulky car keys like I do, they will definitely fit in there. You just have to maneuver them around just a little bit, but they will fit. Next, I'm going to put in some Visine eye drops in here. And if you had, like, say, hand sanitizer or something like that, you could put that in there. I'm going to put some lip gloss in there. Here's my hand sanitizer. It's a bit bulky, so it's not going to close without me forcing it, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to take out the hand sanitizer and just go with these items. So that's everything I need, and it closes with no problem. And voila, everything you need in this cute little bag. Plus you have a mirror if you want to apply your makeup or check your face or put on lipstick.
Well guys, that is it. I just wanted to come on here and share with you these awesome online purchases that I have found from SexyModest and Brandon Blackwood. Definitely check them out. I'll leave all of the links in the description box below. If you have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comments below. Let's create some dialogue. Which pieces did you like best? Have you ever ordered from either of these companies before? I'd love to know. And remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He loves us so much. I love you too, and I have more videos coming to you real soon because I'm out for summer break. As some of you may know, I am a school teacher. We've been out for almost 1 week tomorrow. And my birthday month is coming up next month, June 8th. So yeah, I've got a lot more videos coming your way. I would say that these purchases were like an early birthday gift to myself. I just wanted to share them with you. You guys take care, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at NobleStrength50 and Facebook at NobleStrength. And if you have not seen my previous video, definitely check it out. Just click on the video you see on the screen below.